Let's talk about the biggest problem with AI video today. It's silent. You get amazing visuals, but no sound, no voice. That means hours of extra work for us creators, but what if an AI could generate the entire scene? Video, sound effects, and voiceover, all from one simple prompt? No more editing. That's exactly what I'm testing today. It's called Higgsfield Kling 2.6 audio, and they claim it's not only the most complete AI video tool, but also the most affordable. So let's jump in and see if it's real. You can find the link in video description and SGN up here. And here we are. You can SAE many tools on a dashboard, but our main focus is the Kling 2.6 audio model. The promise is simple. Describe what you see and hear, and it builds the entire scene. But the magic isn't just adding noise. It's about context. The AI tries to understand the emotion and action in your words to create audio that actually fits. A happy scene gets upbeat undertones. A tense scene gets a darker vibe. Let's see if that's real. Now simply click on it and you can see a new page open here. For our first test, let's keep it practical. Imagine you're a creator making a quick social media tip. A friendly fitness coach in a sunny home gym demonstrates a perfect squat form. She explains the technique clearly and encouragingly. Notice my prompt. I said friendly, sunny, explains clearly and encouragingly. I didn't write add cheerful background music or use a female motivational voice. The AI should infer all that from the context. That's the key claim here. Now enable the audio choose aspect ratio you want, and yes, you can also choose many other text to video AI models here. But again, our main focus is Kling 2.6 AI. Let's generate. While this works, here's what's happening behind the scenes, and why it's a big deal if it works. Normal AI video tools create a sequence of images. Then, if you want sound, you use a separate AI tool for voice, and another for sound effects, and you stitch it all together in an editor. It's a puzzle with pieces from different boxes. Kling 2.6 audio tries to build the whole puzzle at once. It's generating the coach's movements, the way her mouth shapes the words, the tone of her voice, and the ambient sound of the room, all in a single coherent process. The synchronization isn't edited later, it's built in from the start. Okay, let's watch.
Keep your back straight and knees aligned with your toes. Great form makes all the difference. You can do this.
The video quality is clean, the motion is natural, but listen, you can hear her voice. It's clear, encouraging, and it matches her lip movements. There's a subtle, bright background atmosphere that feels like a morning home gym. No echo, no weird robot tone. The time saved here is massive. No searching for upbeat gym music, no recording a voiceover, no tedious syncing. Good start. But that was a positive, simple scene. Let's test its emotional intelligence. Let's give it a moody, cinematic scene and see if the audio supports the story. A lone astronaut floats silently outside a space station, staring at the infinite Earth below. Awe, wonder, and profound loneliness. This prompt is all about subtext. Awe, wonder, loneliness. There's no dialogue. The sound here needs to be purely atmospheric. It needs to feel vast, quiet, and isolating. If it gives me dramatic orchestral music, it failed. It needs to understand subtlety. This is where most tools would struggle. They hear astronaut and might add spaceship thrusters. But loneliness and silently should guide it toward emptiness. Maybe just the hum of the suit's life support, the distant muffled sound of their own breath. The video is generated.
The beauty of this world, it's overwhelming and yet so alone out here.
Wow, it's almost silent, but not quite. There's a deep, low hum, the vibration of the station, the void of space, and the most prominent sound is the slow, slightly mechanical inhale and exhale inside the helmet. It's lonely. It's contemplative. The audio isn't telling you what to feel, it's creating the space for you to feel it. That shows a level of understanding I haven't seen before. This isn't just adding sound, it's doing sound design based on narrative cues. Okay, 2 for 2, but cinematic scenes and social tips are one thing. Let's hit the most requested use case, making ads. Small businesses and marketers need this to be flawless. The voice has to be persuasive, the timing perfect. A sleek new electric car drives smoothly along a coastal highway at sunset. A confident, smooth male voiceover highlights its range and luxury features. Premium, aspirational. Here, I'm being more directive. Confident, smooth male voiceover. Premium, aspirational. This is a direct prompt for an ad. The video needs to be beautiful, the voice needs to sound like a commercial you'd hear on TV, and the two need to be in perfect harmony. The voice should highlight range as the car drives into the distance. This is the ultimate test of synchronization and commercial understanding. understanding. If this works, it changes the game for local businesses, startups, anyone with a product. Video ads become something you can prototype in minutes, not days. Look at that shot.
Experience unmatched range and seamless luxury. Designed for those who demand excellence.
The golden hour light is perfect, and the voice, it starts exactly on cue. It's not a generic text-to-speech, it has cadence, emphasis. It's impressive range as the car heads toward the horizon. The background music is a low, uplifting synth pad. It feels premium, not intrusive. This is a 10-second ad spot. Ready for Facebook or Instagram ads right now? The cost and time savings here are revolutionary. Alright, so the demos speak for themselves. This isn't a gimmick. Higgsfield Kling 2.6 audio genuinely solves the silent movie problem that has plagued every other AI video tool. But let's break down why it works and who it's actually for. First, the technology. It's not just bolting an audio module onto a video model. It's a unified multimodal system. Think of it like a brain that processes the idea of a cozy cafe and simultaneously imagines the visual of steam rising from a cup, the sound of light jazz, the murmur of conversation, and the tone of a friendly barista's voice. All those elements are generated together, aware of each other, which is why the sync is so natural. Now, let's talk about who benefits the most. 1. Your bottleneck is production time. Filming, editing, finding audio, it eats your life. With this, your ideation to publishing time shrinks dramatically. Type it, generate it, maybe add captions, and post. Context-aware audio makes your content feel professional from the first view. 2. Need professional-looking video ads, explainers, and promos without a huge budget? This tool puts that capability in your hands. You can A/B test ad concepts in an afternoon. You can make polished explainer videos without hiring a voice actor. 3. You can script your lesson, and the AI will generate a presenter or visuals and a clear, audible voice teaching it. It breaks down technical barriers, letting you focus on teaching. 4. Prototype scenes, experiment with tone, and create narrative pieces. The AI audio removes the frustrating barrier to making ideas feel real. Now the yeah, but question. Is it expensive? Surprisingly, no. Higgsfield is currently the most affordable major platform for this level of video with audio quality. Compared to Runway, Pika, or even OpenAI's Sora when it launches, Higgsfield's pricing is aggressively low. You get more seconds, more generations for less money. They also have a launch offer. Subscribe to the Ultimate Plus plan before December 12th and get unlimited generations with Kling 2.6 audio. No per-second credits. No anxiety about wasting money. It's creator-friendly and removes a huge psychological barrier. So, is Higgsfield Kling 2.6 audio worth your time? If you create any kind of video content, the answer is yes. Try it, experiment with prompts, and see how it fits into your workflow. I want to hear from you. What kind of videos would you make with this tool? Drop your ideas in the comments. I read every single one. Thanks for watching. Now go make something amazing. I'll see you in the next video.